The open concept space in this home is absolutely amazing. Welcome to 342 Mill, unit number 11. This is a 2-bedroom plus den, 3-bathroom home. It is so lovely inside, so much light, backing onto a little creek, so you have a bit of a water view back there, a lovely deck, and very nice and spacious inside with that open concept main floor. What I love about upstairs is each bedroom has its own ensuite, so it's perfect if you are looking to live with an older child or maybe even a roommate. There's so many opportunities here to enjoy this with your family. Here we are on the main floor. This is the open concept area I was speaking about. So you have this beautiful kitchen here with the granite countertops, dishwasher, built-in microwave, all beautiful appliances, a great window behind me so you can see out front, have a little reading nook there if you want to relax or chat to someone while you're having dinner being made. There's also a dining space and a very ample living room space with a small walkout there to a deck. There's an even bigger deck downstairs. Let's check that one out.
One of the great things about this area of the house, come in from the garage, you've got a bathroom right there, and then you've got this perfect little den, entertainment area. This room is so versatile and you can set up whatever you want in here. But that's not all. Come with me and see what else we've got. Look at this beautiful deck space. I mean, perfect day to be here. Look at this. You cannot beat the view back here. You've got a little creek running through. It's beautiful. The other nice thing about here is if you're hanging out and you just want to go down, there's a great brewery down the street. TWB is right there. You're close to LRT. You've got other amenities. Oktoberfest is in town. You can walk to Concordia Club and get your schnitzel on. There is so much in this area to love. You are absolutely not going to want to miss it.
Here we are inside the primary bedroom. So we have the ensuite behind us, which is a 4-piece ensuite, room for a king-size bed, and a beautiful big window where you can see the little creek outside. And right now it's fall, so the leaves are so beautiful too. This is a really great primary suite. The second room over there also has an ensuite, so both of them are fantastic rooms.